if we're having so many people right now are stuck with their families, and as much as they love them, things can get hard, right? So are there some ways that we can move some of that frustration energy and instead bring in a lot more love energy that will help to bond the family more?
Yes, one of the many different things we look at from a feng shui perspective is what kind of energy is there throughout the house. And in the training, we actually find out where there's a spot that might be a spot that is there's constant yelling or negative feelings that are being stated. Someone that's the uh, habitual glass is always empty, not even half full,
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
type of person. And so you can feel that energy. Every house needs to have a location that is what we call the heart point, a center of love. And we want to make sure that it's a place that is quiet and restful. Sometimes people make it a meditation room, so that it's only when they're really in a higher consciousness mentality, so that that particular location feels really, really good, feels like it is filled with love.